Kiwi fruit can give you a lot of amazing benefits. It can help you with asthma, it supports immune system, it improves digestion, it regulates blood pressure, it helps to improve skin health, it aids in weight loss, it reduces DNA damage and many more. Fun fact is, kiwi fruit was called Chinese gooseberry. It was renamed after a New Zealand's national bird. Let's know more about kiwi fruit. Before that, hi beautiful minds, I'm Kritika. Welcome to HOTTOTuber family. I make videos on HOTTO questions. Please subscribe to my channel. Can you eat kiwi with skin? There's some controversy over whether the skin can be eaten or not, but technically the skin is edible. The skin is very nutritious. It has higher concentration of nutrients like folate, vitamin E, fiber. Since many people do not consume enough of these in their daily diet, eating kiwi with skin can easily boost your intake. Most of the antioxidants are present in the skin than in the flesh of the fruit. The major two antioxidants present in the skin are vitamin C and vitamin E, which helps to reduce free radical damage in the body. But eating kiwi skin can be unpleasant for some people because of its fuzzy texture and strange mouthfeel. However, this fuzzy texture can be reduced by rubbing the fruit with a towel or scrubbing it with a vegetable brush or scraping it with a spoon. It's entirely your call if you want to eat the skin or not. Some people also tend to face irritation inside the mouth after consuming kiwi. This is because of the oxalates present in the kiwi fruit. It's better to avoid the skin for such people, because the oxalates are more in concentration in the skin. And also a pro tip to reduce this irritation is always consume ripe kiwis. Let me share some tips on selecting, preparing and storing kiwi. If you plan on eating the skin, then try to buy smaller fruits which have more tender skin than the larger ones. Look out for smooth, blemish-free skin which gives slightly when pressed. If the fruit is extremely firm, then it is underripe. If it feels mushy, then it is overripe. Research also shows that organic kiwi fruits have more antioxidants than the conventionally grown ones. So if you have an option, go organic. Wash the fruit with water before you eat to remove any dirt, germs or pesticide. If you still feel there is any residue left, then soak the fruit in a mixture of baking soda and water for 15 minutes and then you can consume it. Kiwis are typically harvested when they are unripe and they continue to ripen during storage. It is better to ripen the fruit in the room temperature and then refrigerate it. Once refrigerated, the fruit can be stored up to 4 weeks. Let's see some delicious ways of eating kiwi. You can prepare a delicious and healthy jam by blending kiwi, pineapple juice, lemon juice, apples and a little sugar. You can use this as a spread or as a topping. Sweet and simple way of enjoying kiwi fruit is to cut the fruit, scoop it up with a spoon and relish the sweet tart taste. A tasty kiwi smoothie can be a healthy breakfast option or a perfect snack. A pro tip here would be kiwi pairs well with these fruits: apple, bananas, berries, cherries, coconut and mango. Try different combinations, try different flavors and let me know your smoothie inventions. dehydrated kiwi chips, which is called as nature's sweet and sour candy. To prepare this, you just need to slice the kiwi fruit into thin slices and bake them in the oven at 120 degrees Celsius for 2 to 3 hours. Then let them cool down and then you can grab it. Please avoid kiwi fruit if you are allergic to it, or if you have a history of kidney stones, especially oxalate stones. Please avoid the fruit. And that's all for the video, guys. Let me know how was it, and also do post your how to questions in the comment box. I'll be happy to do videos on them. Bye. Take care.